guys, welcome to this week's video. I'm Colin with Mandrino Motorsports. We're back with my 2017 Toyota Tacoma. Kind of an impulsive buy on this one, but it's something that I've wanted to do for a while. And that is these turn signals. So these are the ones that are installed. Now, I've already installed the new ones and taken out the old ones. And also a third brake light, which I will actually show footage later of that installation. So the big thing with these is these are LED switchbacks, or not switchbacks, they're just LED. They are sequential, so they'll actually flash from the inside out, depending on which way you're turning, your left or your right. It's a relatively easy install. You just pop these caps off, and once you're in there, you've got two screws, one here, one here. You unplug it and pull it out. It's not that bad. It's not too bad of an install. I'll see what I can do to throw a little bit of footage in there of that. But this was the old design, which this is actually the other side. The whole thing flashes one unit. These are sequential, so I'll actually show you that now. So as y'all can see, they flash from in to out to signal that I'm turning left. Really simple modification, but it really comes out looking nice and has a good modern feel to it. The other upgrade we did to this was the change out of the third brake light. So this is the old one, real plain. It has LEDs right in the middle that are red for whenever you're braking, it'll flash those or make those go solid. And then they've got LEDs on the outside that cast white light that you can turn on from inside the truck so that you can see behind you or light up what's in your bed, your cargo, things like that. So this model is actually from Tacoma Beast. It is their clear version of it, with this truck being most of what's on it chrome. I wanted to stick kind of with that same feel. I don't plan on blacking this truck out. There's a lot of people that do. That's just not really the direction I'm going with this truck. So I went with the clear one. It's got the white LEDs down the middle that are super bright for your cargo. And then your red exterior ring goes all the way around, so whenever you hit the brakes, that light comes on. So it overall gives a nice clean look. Just so y'all are aware, when you go to do it yourself, there's actually a trim ring that goes all the way around. You're going to destroy it. On top of that, there is like a pound of adhesive and weather stripping behind it. That is just a nightmare. If you're going to do that, I would go ahead and just get a stripping wheel. It makes your life a whole lot easier. Be real careful of the edge. That stripping wheel will actually take off that trim. So now I can kind of show you with the lights on. So that's the cargo lamp. Like I said, a lot brighter than the previous one. And overall, just kind of a nice, good look to it. Next, I'll go ahead and hit the brakes for you so you can see it flash and go solid. That's the other big thing with this, was it flashes 5 times and then goes solid to let other drivers know, hey, I'm stopping. It's a silly little upgrade, but it definitely adds something and it's kind of neat.
Well, that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll continue to get more stuff out on this. I'm really excited about this kit being in. It adds a lot of modern feel to this truck. I know it's only in 2017, but it's nice things in addition to the features that are already there that help highlight that. So y'all have a great week. New video out next week, and I'm posting shorts weekly now. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.